Facts about animals. The slowest mammal in the world is sloth. It moves 0.003 miles per hour. Largest animal in the world is blue whale. It is 85 feet long and 50,000 to 150,000 kilos. Crystal shrimp is an animal that makes the loudest noise. It is 200 dB. Mayfly is the animal that has the shortest lifespan. It lives for only 1 day. Immortal jellyfish is an animal that has the longest lifespan. The interesting fact about this animal is it never dies. Koala is the longest sleeping animal. It sleeps for 22 hours daily. Thank you.